how to fix stress textures in Unreal Engine 5. And I select this object and change its size. And you can see this object's texture is changed. And I select this one and change it again. And you can see this texture is not changed. Let's start it. Then first, I need to reset this object the default value and create a new material and change the name, and I open it. And now I adjust the textures into here. Adjust the normal texture into here. Okay, I open it. Next, I right click and type the words aligned textures. Select it. Now I need to right click and word aligned normal. Select it. Okay. And next I need to right click and convert to texture object. We do it again. Convert to texture object. Connect it. SYJ texture to base color. Connect it to normal. We apply and save it. And I adjust this material to this object, and you can see this texture is too small, so I press once and left key and connect this to texture sign. I change this value. Applied. Yeah, you can see this object's texture is changed. Maybe I change it again. Yeah, I think it's better now. Next, you can change this roughness. Yeah, I think it's better. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.